Hi, boys and girls. Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, with you again. Very excited. We're going to draw a picture today. You have been learning about the number 1, right? 1, whatever it is, 1 apple, 1 person, 1 cloud in the sky, 1 nose, right? So 1 head. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture with 1 of something. So what you need before you continue, if you don't already have it, is a piece of paper, okay? And ideally, if you could get some crayons or markers or colored pencils. If you don't have that, a pencil or a pen will be just fine. So once you have that, come on back and we'll get started, okay? All right, so you should have those materials. So we're gonna draw like an outdoor scene. So at the bottom, if we could just draw, let's just start with some grass, okay? It doesn't have to be fancy. And remember, anytime I'm going too fast and you want to take longer, you can just pause the video, right? Hit the button that has the 2 lines on it, and you can, and then hit play, which is the white triangle, whenever you're ready, okay? So I've drawn some grass, all right? So let's draw one tree. Let's draw 1 tree. So I don't have brown, so I'm going to use black, right? You may not have brown either. That's fine. So let's draw 1 tree. You can draw it wherever you want. I'm going to draw mine over here. Have some branches. Right. You're welcome to use what I'm doing or do your own. Okay, so just the branches right now. We're just doing the branches. No leaves yet, just the branches. Maybe it's winter time. So we're drawing 1 tree. All right, you can pause the video if you want to take more time. Okay, so I've drawn my tree. All right, if you need more time, that's fine. Just pause it and then come back when you're ready. So now I want you to draw 1 leaf on the tree. Okay, so just 1 leaf. So whatever color you want, it's up to you. I'm going to do green because that's what most leaves look like, but you do what you want. So I'm going to draw my first leaf right here. Draw a leaf. Okay, so there's my leaf. All right, and now let's draw 1 flower in the grass. Whatever color you want, whatever shape, however big, however small, your choice, okay? So I'll be drawing my flower while you draw your flower, all right? Although I will tell you we're going to draw more flowers as the week goes on, so don't take up the whole space with the flowers. Maybe make them small enough that you could draw up to like 5 flowers. But for now, just draw a flower. This is actually purple, but it looks blue on the video. So draw your flower. If you want to pause the video, you can do that. I'm going to color mine in. What color do I want to do? Let's do some red. Make it more colorful. Okay, so I've drawn 1 flower. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 1 sun. There's only 1 sun in the sky, right? We need a sun, so let's do that. I'm just going to draw a circle up here. If you want to have little rays coming out of it, you can do that. Okay, so we have 1 sun, we have 1 leaf, we have 1 tree, and we have 1 flower. If you would like to add 1 more of something, oh, I have an idea. Let's add 1 insect, 1 bug. Let's do that. Okay, so you can draw it wherever you want. Maybe it's on the tree. Okay. Oh, we could also draw a bird, one bird. All right, getting very excited here. Let's draw one bird and one insect, and we'll call it a day. So my bird is going to be a cardinal. I'm going to draw my bird on the tree. Cardinals are red, so I'm going to do mine red. I'm not the best drawer. It's okay. We all know it's a bird. It's got a little beak. Okay. It's got a little feather. Is that a bird? I don't know, but that's what I'm calling it. It's a bird. Okay, so I've got one bird, and now I want to do one insect crawling on. I'm gonna put an insect crawling up the tree. I'm gonna put a spider on the tree. So a spider has 8 legs. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you can do whatever. You could draw a little bumblebee. You could draw daddy long legs. You could draw a butterfly. That'd be a good one, right? A butterfly. I put a spider on my tree. So how many spiders do we have? 1. Or insects. How many flowers do we have? 1. How many suns do we have? 1. How many trees do we have? 1. How many birds do we have? 1. All right, great job. Tomorrow, you'll never guess, but we're going to do the number 2. Okay? All right, I'll see you then. Very excited. Bye-bye.